two things to take away from the press conference, Man United versus Leeds that Ruben Amorim did today. The two things that stood out. The first thing was that Ruben Amorim said that they will not be making any transfers for the players that is out on AFCONs or injured. So like Ruben Amorim said, we will have to suffer. And you guys know we still need a midfielder, and we are playing with a bunch of kids on the squad. But okay, when the players maybe return, things will get better when the players return. And the second thing is that Ruben Amorim was asked, "Is there any players who came to him who said that they want to leave?" And Ruben Amorim said, "Plain no." So no players has officially came to Ruben Amorim and said that they want to leave. So if you're a big club, you're a big club, and we have really loyal players.